Losing money was normal to me in the past. But when I discovered the secret of making money or navigating the crypto space without going through a lot of stress out there, then I finally started making lots of profits investing in this brutal market. And I made it my goal to educate anyone out there who is willing to learn, to do the hard work, to study, to understand how the crypto market moves so that they can be able to make life-changing wealth. In the crypto space, there are lots of noise, a lot of platforms that you can go to and get information. Most of these platforms are not free. You have to pay money to get this information, right? But I have made it my goal to always bring you guys amazing platforms that can help you navigate the crypto space without you going through a lot of headache. Crypto Bubbles or the Banter Bubbles is a platform that I have talked about here on this platform, but I want to, insist on this platform. Like, you guys should pay attention to every detail about this platform. That's why today I want us to look at Banter Bubbles, how we can use Banter Bubbles to look for 100x altcoins that we can trade when Bitcoin is dumping or pumping. Right? What I mean to say is, when the market is either in an uptrend or in a downtrend, we can use Banter Crypto Bubbles or Crypto Banter Bubbles to, eliminate all that noise in the market and focus on what is important. I thank the Banter Bubble teams. Ran is the CEO or the founder or the leader of the Banter community. He has created an amazing platform that I love. This platform has helped me a lot. And before I was using most of the times I was using crypto bubbles and the normal bubbles that we know. But this time around, I'm beginning to get involved with Banter Bubbles because the platform has, they have, should I say, optimized the bubbles in a way that you can navigate the ecosystem or navigate in the platform and get exactly what you are looking for. There's a lot of research in it. I'm going to go through some of it, not everything. I'm going to be doing subsequent videos to enlighten you guys more about the platform. But hey, it's free. It won't cost you anything. Same as if, say, you subscribe to this platform, it won't cost you anything either. It's free to subscribe to this platform. Let me not talk so much, as if I came here to, be talking. Let's dive into the juicy part of today. But before I go there, guys, I want to insist on something also. Bitcoin is the leader of the crypto space. And everything I do is centered around what Bitcoin is going to do. So if I look at the crypto bubbles or Banter Bubbles, I'm trying to look at what altcoins are going to do in relation to what Bitcoin is doing. So if I look at my chart and see that Bitcoin is dumping, I wait and see if, say, Bitcoin has already dumped, like level 1, level 2, level 3 dumped, and I realize, okay, now all coins can, or the market want to start recovering. That's when I go to the bubbles to start look at coins that I want to recover fast and the ones that have already recovered during that dump or pump. So it's the same process. When the market is pumping, I look at coins that hasn't yet pumped, and if the market is dumping, I look at coins that haven't yet dumped. So let's dive right away into this. So now this is a platform, by the way. This is let me see, am I here? Okay, now this is the Banter Bubble platform. You can go to get this platform, you can go to banterbubbles.com, right? And you can see right now I'm on a daily time frame. I'm looking at the top 100 coins. I always start to look at the market from the top 100 coins. So whenever I wake up in the morning or during that day, I look at the bubbles to give me a general overview of what is going on in the market on that day. If the top 100 coins are not doing well on that day, then I will like, okay, maybe we are in a downtrend. And, you can see the bubbles are in green and in red. The green represent, a bull market, and the red represent a bear market, meaning the market is going to the upside and to the downside. Now, what I want you guys to do is when you come, like let's say for example, Bitcoin is dumping, like Bitcoin was dumping before. If say we go to the 4 hours time, let's just go to the 1 hour time frame. Let me zoom this so we can see it properly. You can see here Bitcoin was dumping, or the dump started here. The alpha trend printed the sell signal, and you can see level 1, level 2, and level 3 drop. Now, what is happening is recovery, and you can see if say you are part of my community, you already know about the vector candles. This vector candle has to be recovered somehow by the market makers, but it's not a guarantee that they must recover the vector candle. But looking at this structure, I think that maybe they can, push the price to around $69,000, or maybe the worst case scenario, take the market back to around $70,000, where the alpha trend printed this sell signal. Yeah, usually, this is what happened. It happened like this when the market dump. When where the alpha trend printed a sell signal, the price will always go to retest or try to make higher highs. If price is not able to make higher highs, then price is gonna come and form more lows. I think maybe we can see price go right down to $62,000 or $60,000. But what I do is, like in this case, I go to the Banter bubble. Now I've seen that we have had this level 1, level 2, level 3 drop. So now what I'm looking at are coins that are trying to recover. That's at the same time as Bitcoin. Because when Bitcoin is consolidating like this, there are other altcoins that move so fast because they dump so fast. Now most investors are looking at those coins as an opportunity to get in cheaper, like to buy it at a discount price. Now I go to Banter Bubbles, and what I'm doing is looking at the daily time frame. Now, as I want to see the bigger picture of what is going on here, and after that, I want to go to lower time frame, like the 1 hour time frame. I want to see which coins are doing what during the hourly time frame. You can see here, Jupiter Aptos is up 1.5%. Jupe is up 0.7%. Is it that Jupe is about to pump? Well, we're gonna look at that in a jiffy or in a while. Now you can see also Shiba Inu is about to is showing 0.57%. Now what I do after that is go to the 50 minutes time frame, right? To see at what coins are doing what during the 50 minutes time frame, right? Remember, we have looked at all those Shiba Inu, Jupe, and so on. Now you can see here that for the past 50 minutes, Jupe is up 1%. Does it mean that Jupiter is about to pump or what? But I'm not going to conclude by just looking at this. I'm going to click on the Jupe to give me a general overview of what it has done for that day. For the day, this coin is up 10%. For the week, it's up 35%. So you can see, when you click on it, you have analysis of what the coin has done, the performance of the coin, what the coin has been doing for the week, the day, the hour, the month, and the year. Now if say you look at this critically, you can see that this coin is up already 10% for the day, meaning this coin is bullish. All right, looking at what Bitcoin is doing, I'm not seeing any red here. There must be something going on with this coin. So what I want to do now is I'm going to go to my chart. I want to search for Jupe and see what is going on with the coin. Like if say the coin is in a critical area or an area where I would say maybe I can buy the coin right now. Now you can see that this coin was actually dumping during when Bitcoin was dumping or when Bitcoin was dropping downward. And during that moment when Bitcoin was consolidating, you see this coin easily moved to the upside and has done 10% already during that period. So now what I'm looking at right now for this coin is that if I go to the 15 minutes time frame, I want to see that this coin is going to hold this a zone here, this area here where price is, because you can see price has been forming, a bullish divergence. If I bring in the Trendilo, you can see price has been forming this zone here, and now I want to see price straight above and above where the alpha trend printed this sell signal here, this sell signal. I want to see price move above it, come back and retest it. So where price is right now, I want to see a breakout from that area, and price is going to come back there. Because you can see price attempted to break here first time, second time, and now price is still in that same range. So I'm not going to buy Jupe now because it has pumped 10%. So I need to, keep an eye on it, to see if I want to see a breakout. So this is one coin that my eyes are on, looking at what Bitcoin will do in the next 24 hours. So I want to go back to Banter Bubbles and look at what is going on here. Now you can see during the 50 minutes on the 50 minutes time frame, I'm looking at the top 100 coins right now. I can now move to the top 200 coins, to see if say there are some coins there that can give me opportunity to buy. Right? You can see here we have Degen, we have Bico, we have Jito, we have Prime, and we have all of these coins that are doing well here on the 50 on this 200 on this 100 to 200 coins, in the space. But I'm not seeing any coin that I think I want to get involved in immediately on the 50 minutes time frame. So I want to begin again with a daily performance, like what has been going on during the day for this on this other section. Now I can see meme is down 11%, ROVN is down 11%. Now I'm gonna go to the chart and look at this meme. First of all, look at the performance of meme. Now meme is down for the day 11%, for the week 3%, for the month 30%, and for the year 45%. This is a meme coin. So. And this coin is ranked 177, and we know that meme coins are hyped, are in hype, during this this new session, like this Bitcoin whole halving stuff, the next all-time high or the next big move for Bitcoin. Meme coins have been the leading factor at this point in time. Meme coin, AI. Gaming. So looking at this meme coin, which is ranked 177 in the crypto space, it means that investors might be looking to get in at a cheaper rate if Bitcoin start pumping. So I want to go now to the chart of meme, because most people now want to get the next meme coin, which is cheap and have huge community. So I want to go now to meme, and you can see this coin is listed on Binance. All right, so the volume should be huge. Let me click on it now and look at where it is. Wow, look at this on the 15 minutes time frame. This is bogus. Now look at this opportunity here. This coin is down tremendously. Now if I go to the 4 hours time frame, I want to look at the bigger picture here, where price is on the 4 hours time frame. You can see here that there is a huge gap here, liquidity here, that price still have to go and grab. And this coin, looking at the structure, I think the coin is respecting market structure. It's in an uptrend, because you can see it's still holding around this area here. So if I see rejection from this coin, guys, what I'm saying to you guys is exactly what I do. And as I'm working on this chart right now, I myself, I'm doing analysis to look at coins I'm gonna buy as well, right? So meme, be one of those coins I'm gonna buy. Now I want to see this coin hold this zone, this area here. If say meme is able to hold this area and price move back to the upside and started trading above, like I see green candles, around this price area, then I'm gonna conclude that this is gonna be an area of interest. So I'm gonna pull back to the 15 minutes time frame, and if I look at this, I'm gonna see that, oh wow, maybe this coin is forming, is gonna form a head and shoulder pattern, or maybe a W somehow soon. And you can see this move up, this move down here. First, the first drop, second drop. Maybe we can see a third drop here, because I've seen just second drop, or maybe this meme coin won't respect that rule. But what I want to see here with meme is that meme should trade above, should create another higher highs and come back and hold this zone. So I want to see price do this. Price should do this. Price should go like this, go up, come down, hold. That's when I'm buying. If price hold, the next leg up, I'm buying. So this is how I go about looking at crypto bubbles to give me coins that are about to pump. Because I want to be able to, look at the market and be able to eliminate the noise out there, looking at what Bitcoin is doing. Then now go to these other coins that have huge upside, start buying them when it's time to buy them. And I buy them only when Bitcoin has recovered. Just remember what I told you guys. Let's go back to Bitcoin, because it's very important you guys understand the thought process here. How I even go about all this. Now, let me go back to Bitcoin so you guys can see properly. Now, this is Bitcoin on the 15 minutes time frame. And there's a tool here that I use, which is so helpful to me. Guys, don't mind my chart. There's so much on my chart, but I understand everything I do here. Now you can see here, looking on the 15 minutes time frame, this is the BETONG moving average here. This moving average with blue, red, and green. This one here. If I see price on the 15 minutes time frame, if price break it and retest it, that's when I'm gonna buy, and I'm gonna buy only if price hold that zone. Now, this area here that maybe most people can, or most investors or most traders are gonna get involved right now, which is risky. But what you should understand is, if price break, price will come back and retest that area. If price doesn't retest that area on lower time frame, like 5 minute time frame, then you won't be able to be sure that this is going to be a sustainable entry. So if Bitcoin is breaking, and started trading above these moving averages on the 15 minutes time frame, that's when I am going to get bullish or be bullish on those coins that I'm gonna be chatting, or that I've chat on like I found on Banter Bubbles. So Banter Bubbles is very important because you're like, not only like I've just shown you guys just one part of it. You can go to this filter here, and from this filter, there's a lot you can do with it. You can see they have time frames here. They have bubble size representative. They have bubble content representative, and they have categories. You can look for meme coins. You can just search for meme coins alone. For example, if you say my focus is meme coins, I can just go there and now I'm looking at only meme coins, nothing else. So I can look for at meme coins, like do the same thing that I just showed you guys: hourly time frame, the daily time frame, the weekly time frame, the yearly time frame, the 15 minutes time frame. So you can look at all this data to see what is going on with that project at that point in time. And again, don't just rush to buy it. You are looking at a project that is about to pump, and when you see that project, now you are going to Bitcoin to look at what Bitcoin is doing. And if Bitcoin breaks structure, then you are going to get confirmation that this is the right time for you to buy. Guys, Bitcoin has really helped me a lot. Why? Because Bitcoin helps me to understand what might happen or what will happen in a market. If I'm holding a coin and that coin has pumped like 1x or 30% and Bitcoin is doing nothing, I sell instantly, because I know that if Bitcoin keep going down, it's gonna squeeze out that liquidity from that coin, and plunge price back downwards. And I don't want to be in that position to watch my portfolio dumping. I've been there multiple times and I've learned my lessons. And platform like this has given me the opportunity to be able to eliminate all the noise out there, and focus on what is important. What is like that coin, that project, which is going to help me to make money on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, or on a yearly basis. I don't know about you, but what I do know is I am always going to be using tools out there that can help me eliminate any noise out there. And I've made my duty, as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, that I want to help others out there. If I discover something new, I want others also to learn, to see that this is something they can use and make profit out of it. This is free too. Go to banterbubbles.com. By the way, guys, disclaimer: Banter Bubble is not paying me. This is not they are not paying me to do any stuff. And neither is the Crypto Bubble community paying me as well, or I have partnership agreement. Of course, I wish I would have had agreement with Crypto Bubbles because I've done a lot of content on Crypto Bubbles. But what I'm trying to say is this is not a sponsor content. It's just based on, as I mentioned, I love the platform, and I believe in what I see, the data that I found on the platform, and I also have realized that this platform has helped me to eliminate the noise out there. So if say you want to actually be part of this, like for example, or what I've just shown you guys right now might be so cumbersome. Maybe you don't have that time to go and do all of those analyses. If say you're that person who don't have that time to go and do that, now I'm able to speak. You don't have the time to go through what you must do to analyze the market and make profit from it, then you should join my community. The links are found below this video. You can become part of my Patreon, be part of my Patreon or my VIP community. You're going to get exactly when I'm buying, when I'm selling, when I'm taking out profit. I've come to realize that most people lose money not because they don't buy or they don't invest, because they don't know when to take out profit. You just buy, get excited when price is pumping, and they keep thinking that price is going to stay where it is or keep pumping. They don't cash out, and before they realize it, they wake up one morning, boom, everything is gone. So if say you are that person and you want someone to help you understand when to take out profit, when to buy, when not to buy, when to sell, and so on, then make sure you first of all be part of my general group. The link is found below this video. Go to my link tree, click on my link tree, and you're going to see the different sections where you can connect with my community. There are awesome guys there who have been with me for some time now, and you being part of it is going to be awesome. So see you there. But before I go, I want to say this to you. Crypto is very, very, very real. Don't take it as if it's a joke. There's lots of money coming in this industry, trillions, billions coming, and like this, we haven't seen anything yet. Imagine a Bitcoin imagine that one Bitcoin become $1 million. What will be the price of Ethereum? What will be the price of Pepe? What will be the price of Dogecoin? What will be the price of Ethereum, Solana? Just come to think of that. The next 5 years, if Bitcoin keep doing what Bitcoin is doing right now, the next 5 years, what might happen? This is how I think. I don't think now. I think in the future, what might happen, and I prepare myself while I wait for the future. That's why every day when I make decisions, is because I want to accumulate more Bitcoin. I want to be able to accumulate more Bitcoin through these altcoins, because these altcoins are going to make you massive gains that Bitcoin it won't be able to make it for you during this short period. But this altcoin can do it for you. So that's it for today, guys. Hopefully this content was helpful to you. If you want me to keep creating more of such content, then you know what to do. Just go right now and smash the subscribe button, thumbs up, and share my content with someone else out there. Having said that, guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.